Hi everyone, welcome to Live Blogger. In this video, we will discuss 5 myths regarding search engine optimization. So let's get started. Before beginning, let me briefly explain to you what is SEO. SEO or search engine optimization is a bunch of optimization techniques that you can use to improve your search rankings in search engines like Google to increase the traffic of your website. Alright, so let's get into the top 5 SEO myths. One of the myths with search engine optimization is that only the first search result in a search engine matters, and the visitors are not going to click on any other links in the search results. This is not true. When most of the visitors are presented with the search results from Google, the first thing they do is to check the title of the link. So it is important to have an eye-catchy title to get the click from the visitor. You should also make sure that you are ranking for the right keyword. Otherwise, you'd be in a situation where you will get a lot of traffic, but the visitors will be searching for something different and they'll get disappointed when they visit your website, and you may also lose a potential customer there. So try to rank for the right keywords even if you are not the first result for that keyword. A misconception that many web developers and businessmen have is that hiring an SEO agency can help them get to the first spot in Google search results. There are even many agencies that guarantee you the #1 spot of Google rankings as well. This is just a myth. The decision to arrange the website links on the search results page is done by Google, which runs a lot of complicated algorithms behind the scenes. The SEO agency cannot decide how Google can display the results. The most the agency can do is to apply the best tricks in the book to make the website favorable to the search engines, which will most probably result in good ranking for your website. Even the content of the website matters when it comes to search engine optimization, so also focus on creating quality content. Most of the people think that SEO is a one-time process. Once they run an SEO campaign for some days and suppose they get good results, they'll just get satisfied with that and think that the work is over now. One thing you should understand is SEO is an ongoing process. So if you stop concentrating on it for some time, you will gradually lose rankings in search engines and your competitors will be able to get a chance to grab the spot by optimizing their websites with SEO. Search engines like Google make major changes to the algorithms for displaying the search results regularly. So if you don't keep up to the trend, you will lose your rankings for your keywords on Google. There's the myth that responsiveness doesn't matter for SEO. Responsiveness is the ability of a website to provide good user experience for a visitor on a mobile device as well as a desktop device. You know that mobile users have drastically increased in the last few years, and a large number of users are using the internet with their smartphones. So when you are doing SEO, you should definitely take into consideration the aspect of responsiveness. If a visitor comes to your website, he or she should have a good experience with their mobile phone as well. If not, they are most likely to leave your website and you may lose that visitor forever. Giving a good experience can lead that visitor to refer your websites to others, which will increase your traffic as well. A lot of people think that keyword research is not that important for SEO. Some people think that keyword research is just a one-time thing. This is just a myth. But make sure that you don't overuse the keywords in order to trick Google into ranking your websites for that particular keyword. Google is smart enough to recognize when keywords are overused just for the sole purpose of tricking the search engines. So knowing how to use the right amount of keywords is also important. Alright, so that's basically it for this video. If you have any doubts, you can ask in the comments below, and subscribe to this channel to get the latest video updates. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a nice day.